Let me come on the next kind of problem on partnership. A, B, C enter into a partnership by the investing in the ratio 3:2:4. After the 1 year, B invest 2,70,000 more money, and C at the end of 2 year investing 2,70,000 more. At the end of 3 year, profit are shared in the ratio 3:4:5. Find the initial investment of each. That means they invested their money for 36 months. So I suppose A investment equal to 3x. Initial investment of A 3x, and as question told that there is no more money invested by A, so this money invested by A for 36 months. So B invested that money, their money equal to first initial money 2x. For how much time he invested 2x? For 12 months. Plus after he invested more money, so I can write it as plus 2:2x plus how much? 2,70,000. For how much time? He invested this money for 24 months more. For 12 months he invested 2x money, and remaining 24 months he invested 2x plus 2,70,000 money. So as C investment equal to 4x for how much month? C at the end of 2 year, up to 2 year he invested 4x, that means 24 months, and for after that he invested 4x plus 2,70,000. For how much month? For 12 month also. So their final ratio 108x, that is A, and B 72x plus 64840, that is for B, and for C 144x plus 32440. So if you solve it out, then their ratio will come into 3:4:5, their profit ratio. So I can take any two, these two or these two, to find the initial investment or to find the value of x. So let me take these two value first. So 108x upon 72x plus 648 times 0 equal to, in what ratio they got their profit? 3:4, because I am solving by A or B. I can solve by A or C also, I can solve by B or C also. So 3/4, so cross multiply, 432x equal to 216x equal to 1944 4 times 0. So 216x equal to 19444 4 times 0. So x equal to 19444 4 times 0 upon 216. So I got the value of x, that is 90,000. So value of x equal to 90,000. So it is asking for initial value, initial investment of each other. So initial investment of A is 3x. So put the value of x in equation. 3 is to 90,000 equal to 2,70,000 invested by A initially, and initial investment of B is 2x. So 2x equal to, I can solve it, 2 is to 90,000, that is 1,80,000 invested by B at initially, and C 4x equal to, I can solve 4 is to 90 equal to 36. That means 3,60,000 invested initial money by C. These are the final answer for investing money by A, B and C initially.